Hello, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily. Midweek this week, we heard from the Fed about the potential of some future interest rate changes, and what followed shortly after that was a significant sell-off of the US dollar. Fortunately, prior to that news, we were positioned correctly on a few different trades that allowed us to take some profits to close out the week with profit. Let's take a look at those two trades that we did. You can see this is the account history at the very bottom of my screen. So these are closed trades, the USDJPY and the New Zealand dollar. Let's talk about the New Zealand dollar first. The entry at the 0.6521 was down here where the yellow shaded area is and the black circle. Of course, we were previously in a downtrend along the black trend line. The market bounced around for a couple of days between the pink and the yellow shaded area. Pink zone 0.6490, yellow zone 6508, 6520. Bounced around in there for a little bit, got above, tapped back down as support prior to the FOMC news hitting back down into the 6520 level. Went ahead and took the long there at 6521. Missed it by 1 pip on the top of the yellow zone, and we were able to capture profit. First off, at the green shaded area into 65.40.55, and at the extent of the trade, you can see this trade was closed at 65.90, which is all the way back up here at the blue shaded area. So pretty decent profit. We're looking at about 70 pips of profit from the yellow to the blue shaded area on the New Zealand dollar. The next, we were also looking at the USDJPY, and of course clearly here on this currency pair we're looking at the daily time frame. This was a downtrend, and we've been playing through with this downtrend pattern for the past couple of weeks. Let's zoom in a little bit on this black box here within the downtrend, the lower black box, where we can see the market bouncing around between the blue zone 108.05, 107.85, and the pink shaded area 108.45, 108.70. Been bouncing on that pink zone as resistance. We actually over the past couple weeks have taken a few trades into the pink zone looking for the market to bounce off. We never wanted to buy into the pink zone, only focusing in on the shorts. Fortunately, again on Wednesday when the market sentiment changed to bearish for the US dollar, we were short into the 108.45 level. There it is right there. There's our trade. 108.45 was the entry. The extent of this exit, 107.53, 54, which is top of the orange shaded area. So we entered at the pink zone and we closed out as it approached the orange zone. We actually closed a little profit at the blue zone as well, but then the extent of the trade closed out down here into the orange shaded area for the US yen. So both trades together, well, let's just talk about the US yen trade. That's 90 pips on the dollar yen trade, 70 pips on the New Zealand dollar trade. So between the two, capturing about 160 pips of profit total market movement on just these two trades. So I hope that you were able to capture some of this profit. If not, join me next in my next daily trade room this next week to see what we're looking at to do next.